Pakistan, a land blessed with breathtaking beauty, rich culture, and timeless history. From snowy peaks to vibrant cities, this country has it all. Today, let's explore the top 20 most beautiful cities of Pakistan. Top 20 beautiful cities of Pakistan. 1. Islamabad, clean, peaceful, and surrounded by the majestic Mughal Hills. 2. Murree, famous for snowfall, pine trees, and dreamy mountain views. 3. Swat, mini Switzerland, sparkling lakes, green valleys, and snow-covered peaks. 4. Gilgit, gateway to K2, full of natural wonders. 5. Hunza, Karamabad, Baltic Fort, and landscapes straight out of paradise. 6. Skardu, home to the world's highest mountains and crystal-clear lakes. 7. Lahore, the city of gardens, history, and vibrant culture. 8. Karachi, the city of lights, standing proudly by the Arabian Sea. 9. Multan, the city of saints, known for history and Sufi shrines. 10. Faisalabad, an industrial hub with beautiful parks and traditions. 11. Peshawar, ancient heritage and unmatched hospitality. 12. Quetta, famous for fruits, mountains, and scenic beauty. 13. Muzaffarabad, Azad Kashmir, part of the stunning Neelam Valley. 14. Rawalpindi, a perfect blend of old and modern lifestyle. 15. Abbottabad, green hills, cool breeze, and peaceful environment. 16. Chitral, famous for Kailash Valley and breathtaking natural beauty. 17. Gujranwala, city of wrestlers, with a mix of tradition and history. 18. Sialkot, land of Allama Iqbal, greenery and rainy weather. 19. Bhurban, a calm and luxurious hill station near Murree. 20. Sahiwal, known for its fertile fields and peaceful atmosphere. Closing, these were the 20 most beautiful cities of Pakistan. Each city holds its own charm, culture, and story. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments.